हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज पढ़ने वाले हैं। हमारी फर्स्ट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी है साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर ए इक्वल्स टू 1। सेकेंड वन इज 1 प्लस टैन स्क्वायर ए इक्वल्स टू सेक स्क्वायर ए। थर्ड इज 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर ए इक्वल्स टू कॉसेक स्क्वायर ए।
We will try to prove these identity. Our first identity was sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. We know sin square a. What is the value of sin a? Sin a is p upon h. Then we can write the value of sin a as p upon h whole square. What is the value of cos a? B upon h. We can write cos a as b upon h whole square. It becomes p square upon h square plus b square upon h square. Taking LCM, we get h square, p square plus b square. In right angle triangle A, B, C, hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse का square equals to p square plus b square. So p square plus b square can be written as h square. So h square gets cancelled by 1. 1 equals to 1. LHS equals to RHS. We can also prove the remaining theorem by using sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. Dividing both the side by cos square a. This becomes sin upon cos tan square a. Cos gets cancelled by cos. And 1 upon cos square a becomes sec square a. This proves our second identity. But taking again sin square a plus cos square a. Now dividing both sides by sin square a. Sin square a 1. Cos upon sin is cot. 1 upon sin square is cosec square a. This proves our third identity. We will do certain questions related to these identity. Prove 1 minus cos square a cosec square a equals to 1. We need to prove 1 minus cos square a cosec square a equals to 1. We know sin square a plus cos square a is 1. Then the value of sin square a is 1 minus cos square a. So in place of 1 minus cos square a, we can write sin square a cosec square a. Cosec is reverse of sin, so cosec a is 1 upon sin a. So at the place of cosec square, what we can write? 1 upon sin square a. Sin square a gets cancelled by sin square a. 1 equals to 1. Again LHS is equals to RHS. We will do another question. Cos theta whole upon 1 minus sin theta equals to 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. We will multiply and divide numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin theta. cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta, multiply and divide numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin theta. What we get? Cos theta 1 plus sin theta whole upon 1 minus sin theta 1 plus sin theta. Now what we see is that we are getting a formula for a minus b and a plus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So 1 minus sin theta 1 plus sin theta becomes 1 square minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta becomes cos square theta. Value of cos square theta or cos square a, 1 minus sin square a, sorry theta, cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta whole upon 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Cos 1 cos gets cancelled by 1 cos, so we get 1 plus sin theta whole upon cos theta, hence proved.